Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's do some more Leetcode today. This is Leo. So this problem is called minimum remove to make valid parentheses. So we were given a string of opening parentheses and closing parentheses and lowercase English characters. So we were going to remove the minimum number of parentheses so that the resulting parentheses string is valid and return any valid string. Okay. So it is considered valid if it is the empty string, contains only lowercase characters, or it can be written as AB, where A and B are valid strings, or it can be written as A with a parentheses, where A is a valid string. This is pretty easy, and let's take a look at the example here. So the string is Leetcode with 2 opening parentheses and 3 closing parentheses. So in this case, we can remove any of them to make it a valid string. Okay. And how about this one? This one, we see a valid parentheses here, but this one is not valid. So we're going to simply remove this one to make it a valid string. And as for this one, since there's no valid pair, we're going to remove all of them. So the result would be an empty string. Okay. So how do we approach this? I think of something like a stack. Like we put every character into the stack, and once we hit a opening parentheses, we record its index, we push that into the stack, and we hit another one, we push that into the stack, and once we hit a closing parentheses, if the stack is not empty, means we have some opening parentheses in the stack, we can simply pop it out. Okay, and for this one as well, we can pop it out. And when the stack is empty, but we still encounter closing parentheses, we know this is going to be the index that we're going to remove. And we can remove it and build our final string. Okay, so what do we need here? We need a hash set to record all the indices that we want to remove. Okay, and we need a stack to contain everything here. Okay, so let's code it out. First, I'm going to set a set that's called indices to remove, and we will also need a stack to contain the indices of each parentheses. Okay, so let's iterate through the string. If it is the opening parentheses, we will push that into the stack. Else, if it is closing parentheses, if the stack is empty, we know it is time for us to record it into the indices to remove hash set. Okay, so we will add it to the hash set. Else, if it's not empty, we can just pop it out. Okay, so now I think we have everything that is listed here, but we still have something like this. So if we still have something in the stack, they're all the indices that we want to remove. So we have to do a post check. So while stack is empty, indices to remove, add stack.pop. Okay, so we have to put everything that's left in the stack into the hash set. This contains everything that we want to remove. Okay, So we will have a string builder, and we will build the final result string. Okay. So if indices to remove contains, if it doesn't contain the I, the index, we're going to append it to our final result. Okay. And we're going to return the string builder to the final string. Okay. And let's check it out. Okay, perfect. It passes all the tests, and let's calculate the complexities. So the time complexity would be O of n because we're iterating through the string, okay? And for the space complexity, we have a hash set, we have a stack. In the worst case, we're going to record everything in the string, okay? So it's going to be n. Okay, yeah, we got accepted. Thank you so much, and I will see you in our next video.